Hello guys, welcome back. Hope you all are doing absolutely fine. So today we'll be continuing with our FMT exam revision series with our next topic of mummification. Definition: it is defined as desiccation or drying up of the dead body. It is also a modification of decomposition. Mechanism: mummification occurs because of evaporation of the body fluid. Essential requirement: absence of moisture, excess of air, warmth. The ideal atmosphere for mummification to occur in presence of desert, especially in summer, and also in bodies buried in the shallow grave in sandy soil. Characteristics: body becomes thin, shriveled, dried, and dark brown or black. Skin and muscles become thin, dark, leathery, and adherent to bones. All internal viscera blend with each other. Body emits smell like rotten cheese. Facial features and injuries are well preserved, therefore, identification of dead body is possible. Cause of death in case of death due to injuries can be established. Time required. Time required for mummification varies from 3 months to 2 years. If properly preserved, a mummified body can remain for years. Medical legal importance. It is a sure sign of death. Identity of the dead can be known. Cause of the death in case of death due to injuries can be known. Time since death can be known. Surrounding of the dead body can be established. Embalming, artificial preservation of the dead body is possible. Thank you.